You have Kraft moving lower here in extended trading after reporting those earnings after the close. They also lowered their annual sales forecast, reiterated their interest to buy Cadbury. You can see the stock moving down almost 3%. Cadbury actually rejecting Kraft's August proposal for that purchase, and now Kraft has less than a week to come back with another formal offer for Cadbury. But we do have Kraft moving lower once again as they lowered their annual sales forecast. And taking a look at the close on Wall Street, most stocks rising today. This was after Warren Buffett agreed to buy Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Burlington Northern surging 28% after Buffett made what he called an all-in wager on the nation's economy. And Christopher Sheldon of BNY Mellon Wealth Management he says, you know, when Warren Buffett puts money behind something, people then seem to really get it. He also says Buffett is looking at the profits, and he says whatever you may think about the jobs picture right now or the consumer, he says Warren Buffett is looking at the bigger picture of profits, and maybe some other people are also looking at those bigger picture of profits down the road. We also had some other news, of course, of the takeover that we heard after the close of trading yesterday, helping out Black Decker in today's session, rallying 31%, actually the most since at least 1980 after Stanley Works said it would take over Black Decker. Then we did see energy and raw material stocks increasing after we saw crude oil advancing, also gold climbing to a record, and kind of crude oil and gold moving in the same direction. And that was after gold jumping to a record after India's central bank bought 200 metric tons of gold from the International Monetary Fund, so that helping out a lot of the commodities and a lot of the material stocks. However, what we did see on the losing end, a lot of the technology stocks. This was after Intel was actually downgraded at Morgan Stanley. You saw Intel, some of those tech stocks lower on the day. And tomorrow, a very big day. The Fed makes its decision on interest rates and more earnings from Time Warner, Pulte, Devon Energy, and also Comcast. So a lot to look forward to tomorrow as well.